a mixed video between the recovery and also the blanket drag, because I'm going to send you an email because I accidentally messed up on my blanket drag submission. So anyway, this is my fake patient, so to speak. Generally, when we start the recovery position, I've been taught two different ways. The first way is to have both of the legs straight out, the arms straight down. You take the patient's right arm and you put it right around their belly button, and then you use their shoulder, which would be up here, and also their hip, and you roll them, which allows them to sit onto your knees, or you can unfold the blanket, which I have here. And then the other way that I was also taught is that you take the left arm and you put it up above the patient's head. Then you take the right arm and you put it almost at a 45-degree angle to where their hand is touching the left cheek. And then you also take their right leg and you pull it up and bring it in close to them. And that allows you to carefully pull that patient towards you. It allows them to sit their face onto their hand, and also allows you some sort of leverage to pull towards them. And then once you have that leg bent, it's going to be fairly uncomfortable, so you can bend it out almost at a 90-degree angle across the left leg. And then you do the same thing with the blanket. I prefer the first way of putting the arm across the stomach here, and then using their weight, pull it towards me. Then I'm going to unfold my blanket here, just a little bit, like so. And then I'm going to roll my patient back down onto that. And then you can do the same thing to get them to roll the other way. This time you take the left arm, put it on their stomach, and then roll them up a little bit, like so. And you can pull the other side of your blanket out. Now my blanket's a little bit too small for that, but I'm trying to get a bigger one. And then I was taught that you always roll up a little bit, so that way you increase the surface area that you have your grab on. And then you carefully tuck it around their head, and then you can lift up and you can pull the patient out of the way. This is typically used if we need to move the patient out of an unsafe area. Thank you.